this whole school, everybody out there, people in Poland, people in Antarctica, people in Brazil. One thing all of us that have in common, is good to all of us have got problems. Every single one of us. Whether it be problems maybe at home, whether it be problems maybe even here at school, whether maybe be problems even in the way we think sometimes. Because with this whole COVID pandemic, even with the looting situation, stuff that's happening within Parliament, stuff that's happening in this nation, maybe there's a sense of maybe uncertainty about, Yazin, what's going to happen about my future? What's going to take place tomorrow? And one thing, like I shared with you, is that all of us have that in common. All of us have got problems. All of us are going through challenges. All of us are going to go through trials and tribulations. And one thing else that all of us have in common, every single one of us in this room, regardless if whether they are smiling, regardless if every one of us have experienced pain as well. Pain is also a part of life. And one of the keys is to essentially overcome the pain that we go through. Some of you maybe are struggling with particular problems in, you're looking to start a business, but you don't know how this whole thing works. Some of you may be struggling with from a financial perspective. All right, what's going to happen financially? But I'm here to come and serve you today. We are here to come and serve you today, and hoping that we can try and provide some kind of clarity moving forward. Because you must understand one thing, and that is that clarity is power. When you can become clear on something, you can move forward effectively. All right, and one of the biggest tools that the enemy uses, all right, but one of the biggest things that he does is he causes confusion amongst people. Because when you do not know who you are, the whole world out there will tell you who they think you are.